Hello friends, welcome back to Technical Pathshala. So in this video, we will learn how to create master detail relationship in Salesforce. So master detail relationship is just like a one to M relationship. It means a parent can have multiple child records. But in Salesforce, we can create master detail relationship in a custom object only. So suppose in this we have contact. So if we want to create a master detail relationship for nicknames. Suppose a contact can have multiple nicknames. So we will learn how to create this. So first of all, we will create one custom object for nickname. So go to object manager, click on create custom object. Nickname. Knowledge of other CRM technologies like SQL also. So it is just like a one-to-M relationship. Fill all required types, record name, nickname here, and save. So you will see some standard fields will get created automatically in this fields and relationships. So these are standard fields created by ID, last modified by ID, name and owner ID. So we will create a new master detail relationship for this. So in Salesforce, we can create master detail relationship in child custom object. So create on new. So you will see here, this is master detail relationships. If you have selected the contact object, then you cannot see master detail relationship because you can create a master detail relationship in child custom object. So click on this master detail relationship, click on next, and here you need to give the name of object that it will be related to. So select contact here, this one, click on next, give field name, contact, description. So this is child relationship name. Next, next, this is related list level, save. So now you can see one nickname relationship has been created. So let us see in this our application. So click on contacts. You can see I have created one contact, John Smith. Drill down on this contact. So you can see here the rated list quick links. So nicknames that we have created here. Click on this. So currently there is no nickname available. So click on new button. So provide nickname like Johnny, save and new, Smithy, save. So you can see now two nicknames has been associated with this parent contact. So if you will click on this Mr. John Smith, now two nicknames are associated with this contact. So thanks for watching my video.